Here's from Swami Rakesh 87. Hare Krishna Maharaj, I was initiated by a bona-fide spiritual master, but did not follow any of his instructions. Now what is my destination as Guru Aparadhi? Because my ego and attachments do not allow me to surrender to him. I am already on the path of spiritual death. Is there any way to save me from spiritual death except going back to my spiritual master and surrender to him? Please help me and save me. I'm suffering a lot. Please save my spiritual life. It's like someone who's drowning and someone throws a rope and you say, well, is there any way you can save me without holding the rope? It's ridiculous. I'm not prepared to give up my ego and attachment and go and apologize to my spiritual master. If you're sincere, he'll take you back. If he's actually a bona fide spiritual master and you're sincerely ready to surrender to him, then he'll accept you. But if you say, please save my spiritual life, but I can't, I won't. I can't means I won't give up my ego and attachment, but still I want to be saved, then go to hell. What else can I say? Your spiritual life is not on our terms and conditions, it's on Krishna's terms and conditions, which are given by the spiritual master on behalf of Krishna. That's a bona fide spiritual master. So it's up to you. You have to choose. Just like, again, you throw a rope to a drowning person. I can do that much. I can advise you that much, hold the rope. But if you insist I'm not going to hold it, then you're going to drown. Hare Krishna. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Sabko Sadmati De Bhagavan. Oh Bhagavan, give everyone good intelligence. Hare Krishna.